Hey there, I'm Brian with All Guard Windows and Doors, and today we're in our showroom going over the Sierra Pacific H3 Series real wood window. This is going to have a heavy-duty extruded aluminum clad. What it's also going to have is an integral nail fin option that's going to be vinyl. Beautiful thing about the H3 Series with Sierra Pacific, they went ahead and sandwiched in between the core a vinyl option. So what that does is it helps with thermal breaking, so helps resist condensation built up between the cladding and the wood so that the wood doesn't rot out from the inside out. Exterior color options here, again, several options to choose from for their factory line. We can also go ahead and get some Sherwin-Williams custom colors added in there, so that sky's the limit for aesthetics and achieving what your home deserves. We'll come on the inside. For this wood window option in our showroom, we went ahead with painted. We wanted to kind of showcase to some clients that are in the market for wood windows what a painted wood window option looks like. Again, several different factory colors to choose from, and then we can even upgrade that and go ahead with some Sherwin-Williams custom color. So whatever color you can design, we can put this on this window from the factory. So that's covered in with a warranty. A couple features in here, it is going to have, our cardinal glass, 1/2-inch spacer system, and then we can get different kind of coatings as well to meet any efficiency requirements that are needed. Finishes on the lock and hardware, we have different couple finishes that we can choose from, so that you can kind of get a nice good design option here. This is a slider window, so it's going to slide left to right or right to left. We also have casement options and definitely other feature windows as well. Cool feature with this window line is 2 latches up here, very durable and sturdy. To get this out for easy cleaning, we have 2 pins we remove. This sash can come out, easy cleaning, set aside. And now to finish this off with the installation portion, go ahead and put up casing on the interior. So that'll finish that window out nice and beautiful. And there you have it, guys. That's the Sierra Pacific H3 wood window line. Any further questions, please direct us to your sales consultant.